The Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV can be controlled remotely using an Android smartphone or iPhone via a wireless connection. After downloading the free app from the appropriate store, begin the pairing process. Please note that this process only needs to be carried out once per smartphone. Press the power switch to activate accessories mode, and then within 30 seconds, press lock and unlock alternately 10 times in total. The system will beep to indicate it's ready to pair your phone. Next, activate the Mitsubishi Remote Control app. Select Register. Then select the SSID allocated to your vehicle. You will find it in your documents pack along with your password, which should also be entered at this stage. Registration starts automatically and when complete, allows access to a number of features. Users could set charging schedules for different days of the week, allowing chargers to take advantage of overnight electricity, which can be at a discounted rate. Users can also set climate control functions to preheat the vehicle. Further functions are available, which include remote viewing of the vehicle charging status and activating the lights to assist your way to the vehicle on a dark night.